ChemArt Company, where quality drive meets the New England way. ChemTecUSA by ChemArt manufactures precision-etched metal parts and components using advanced photochemical machining and in-house technologies, all proudly made in the USA. We deliver precision parts at a lower cost than laser or stamping, with fast turnaround to meet demanding production timelines. Our capabilities include etching, plating, industrial printing, subassembly, prototyping, and more. We offer a wide selection of metals, including brass, copper, carbon steels, stainless steel, nickel, covar, electronic alloys, and beryllium copper. Our fully integrated services eliminate costly secondary operations, streamlining production and improving efficiency. We provide engineering and design assistance from prototyping through production for tailored high-performance solutions. We provide photochemically etched screens, implants, grids, surgical blades, ID tags, battery contacts, and lead frames for the medical industry. Our products for defense and aviation include shielding, labels, grounding strips, heat sinks, and nameplates built to strict mil specs. We supply precision electronics components such as switches, hermetic lids, bus boards, encoder discs, RF parts, clips, lead frames, and measuring and metering components. Our team delivers solutions including intricate speaker grille cover designs, etching stamping for high-volume production, overmolding for components, automotive, mechanical, and decorative components. We offer high attenuation flow measurement components for oil and gas applications, combining etching and measuring and metering components. We also offer jewelry findings, plaques, ornaments, custom keepsakes, decorative packaging accents, and more. Our finishes, including black oxide, copper, gold, nickel, electrolytic nickel, tin, tin lead, and zinc, meet specifications like MIL, ASTM, and AMS. ChemTecUSA by ChemArt holds ISO 9001:2015 certification, with all products proudly manufactured in the USA. Contact us today for all your precision metal part needs.